Hello and welcome to NyamNyam. Let's make this gelatin cake. Very colourful and very easy. Start by syringing different coloured gelatin into a silicone ice cube mould. We're doing the colours of the rainbow, a few of each. Close that up and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, get a donut-shaped cake mould and pour in some clear gelatin, just to cover the bottom. Then get your set gelatin colourful balls and place them on top. You can pile them up like so, and pour over more clear gelatin. Refrigerate that for 2 hours, turn it upside down on a plate, pour white chocolate ganache in the middle, and you're ready to roll. It's really that easy. Now just slice, let the white chocolate ganache ooze out, and enjoy your gelatin cake. Why not add a dash of colour to your day? Give it a go. Let's get into summer with this gelatin watermelon cake. Amazing! Start with some moulds and pour in red and green gelatin. Refrigerate those for 15 minutes. Now get some red sponge cake. We've got half a cake because it looks like a watermelon slice. Piping on white buttercream icing, layering up with green sponge cake, more buttercream icing, and another layer of red. Now let's coat the entire thing. Smoothing it out. Then get your gelatin balls and start sticking them on, starting with the green ones along the sides. As you can see, we've made quite a few of these. You need enough to cover one side of the watermelon cake. Then some smaller white gelatin balls along the edge, red on the top, and down the last side. And for a finishing touch, let's add some small black gelatin balls. They look like seeds. And there you have it! An amazing, super bright and colourful gelatin watermelon cake, ready to devour. Why not give it a go? NyamNyam brings to you Bai Toi Jelly Cake, a popular Thai dessert which is a form of jelly prepared with coconut milk and pandan leaf juice. All you need is 280 grams of sugar, 20 grams of agar powder and 5 grams of salt. Mix them together with 700 millilitres of water and heat it gently on the stove with 700 millilitres of coconut milk and 100 millilitres of fresh pandan juice. Stirring it all up, we want it to dissolve and blend perfectly. Once it's dissolved, we're going to take it off the heat and pour it into our jelly mould. Using a spoon to just remove the bubbles off the top so we have a perfect finish when it's ready. We're going to chill that for 45 minutes. Meanwhile, in a pan on the stove, get 180 grams of sugar and 20 grams of agar powder. Mix that with 450 millilitres of water. This is going to make our clear jello mixture. Whisk it up whilst it's heating away. Now take that off the heat. And our green jello is ready and set. So with a knife, we're just going to slice out every other segment of our ready set jelly. Pouring in our clear jello and green egg yolk thread on top of that. Finally covering it in jello again. Let that rest for 15 minutes. And pour some green agar mixture over the entire jelly. Lovely. Stick that in the fridge and chill it for 45 minutes. Turn it upside down, and there you have it. What a gorgeous design. Transparent jelly mixed with green jelly and egg yolk threads. How creative. Did you ever think you could put together a sinful dessert in just 3 simple steps? Let's bake the no-bake strawberry and cream jelly cake. layered in cream jelly and infused with luscious strawberries. This cake takes you on a milky, wholesome and enticing journey with every bite. It's a simple no-bake cake with simple ingredients such as milk, evaporated milk and even condensed milk. Let's hear it for the milks. Excellent. We give it a nice stir and then we add the final touch, a spot of gelatin. Now notice that we're heating this while we're stirring it. Now that makes your gelatin milk mixture, part of which you're going to pour into a nice big mould. Now we want to put this in the fridge for at least 20 minutes to let it set. Meanwhile, let's make the jelly. So strawberry flavoured jello, we like strawberry, we like the colour red. We're going to add some water, 400 ml of water to be precise, some gelatin, give it a whisk. Then we're going to pour half of that into a smaller round-shaped mould and set it in the fridge for 10 minutes. When we bring it out, it's nicely set and we can add some fresh strawberries for that wonderful freshness. And then pour the rest of the gelatin mixture over the top. Now that will be in the fridge for 30 minutes. When everything is set, we take it out and we place the jelly on top of the set gelatine milk mixture. Then the remainder of the gelatin milk mixture gets poured around and over the top of the jelly, hiding it in the middle. Give it a bit of a shake and stick it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. You can make this recipe with any fruit you like. You can use mangoes, cherries, oranges, any type of berry you like. Now, when we take it out of the fridge, we turn it upside down so you get the lovely nice white flour on the top. You can only see white, so let's decorate it with some fresh strawberries and a nice slice of green mint. Did you know that Hannah Glass published this recipe in her 18th century book? Yes, it's an old recipe, folks. Tried and tested. Perfect for summertime parties. Delicious. Who could resist such a wonderful array of colours? All you need is some plastic containers, yoghurt drink, and some flavoured syrup. Blueberry, blue lemon, apple, pineapple, orange, strawberry. 2 tablespoons of gelatin goes into each of those containers, stirring them up. Those are going to be refrigerated for 30 minutes. Once set, they're going to be removed from the containers and we can start cutting them into cubes. So we do the same with each and every colour. You can use different flavours to create your colours, and you can use any colours you like. Once those are all sliced, we're going to add 20 grams of sugar and 200 millilitres of water to a pan on the stove. Add 12 grams of gelatin into that and stir it up. Then we can remove it from the heat. And we're going to start to add our fruit yogurt gelatin into a container and pour our sweet gelatin transparent mixture over it. That is going to be chilled for 1 hour. Turn it upside down and voila! A cube-filled, colourful jelly. A modern piece of art, perfect in every way. It's as easy as that.